Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Volume Control app and granting any required permissions so the app can manage system audio. Once done, create an initial profile by setting media, ringtone, and alarm levels. This gives a baseline you can recall later. Make sure to enable the persistent notification or widget for one-tap access, because that saves time when you need to adjust quickly in the future. You now customize profiles to match real situations, so switching becomes predictable. For example, create work, sleep, and driving profiles with specific volume levels and assign schedules using time or location triggers. This automates changes without manual input. Also tweak advanced options like volume step increments, audio ducking for notifications, and do not disturb integration, so the app behaves correctly when calls or alarms should take priority. You finish by actively using the controls. Switch profiles manually, tap the widget, or let scheduled triggers run and observe the results. Test with a short media file and an incoming call to confirm media, ringtone, and alarm volumes behave as expected. If something fails, check app permissions, disable battery optimization, and ensure location access for GPS triggers. These fixes resolve most issues so your automated profiles work reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.